Hi, I'm Scott, and I'm a tall woodworker. Welcome to my shop. Before anybody asks, I'm 6'7", so that answers the tall question. My shop is in the suburbs of Chicago, Illinois, and I've been doing woodworking since about 2013. It's now the late summer, early fall of 2020, so I've been doing this for just a little bit about 7 years now. While I've been woodworking since about 2013 on my own, growing up, I used to watch shows like This Old House and The Woodwright Shop with my father, and he also had a wood shop of his own that I would just sit there and watch him do the magic that he did, building small things for around the house and everything like that. So about 7 years ago, I started doing things for myself. Started making some small tables and other furniture, some wall art, and eventually got to where I am now. None of my tools are fancy tools, and I want to point that out because there's a lot of people who still get a little bit overwhelmed by what some people show. And it's great that those people are using high-end tools to do what they do. They're awesome at it, and I have nothing bad to say about them. But I want people to know that this stuff can be approachable. So you'll notice that a lot of my tools are stuff like Ryobi tools or even Harbor Freight tools. You don't have to have the best tools to do the job. You just need to have tools. So don't feel like there's something that you see that you can't do because you don't have the right tool for the job. Over the past couple of years, as I've been getting into more fine woodworking, I've been doing things such as these gift boxes here. I have a photo keepsake box made out of oak. This is actually the first box I ever made out of walnut and maple with the splines in it. I'm very proud of that one. I made this box out of Purple Heart for my wife, and it's designed to be a pencil case. So again, another one I'm very proud of, and she knew I was making it, but she didn't know I was putting that turtle on there, and that really made her like it even more. More recently, I've done things such as a set of end-grain cutting boards. These were really fun to do, and we do use these every day. We got rid of our old cutting boards, and this is actually what we use. And I've even done things such as shaping knife scales. I don't do metal work. I basically just get the kit and then I shape the handle to my liking. About a month ago, I bought a lathe. A lathe is a tool that I have enjoyed since a little kid. Again, going back to watching The Woodwright Shop. I remember watching him, and all of his tools are hand tools. He has no electric tools whatsoever. And I remember him using the lathe with a pedal to power it. And I just thought that was one of the most amazing things ever. Like, how do you do that? How can you concentrate on that? So I was just in awe of that. Fast forward to about 2 months ago, I finally bought a lathe for myself. Watched a ton of YouTube videos over the past couple of years with people turning pens, turning bowls, and everything else like that, and just was fascinated by it. I finally decided I'm doing that myself. So the first thing that I turned was actually this mallet made out of oak. Nothing fancy with this thing. In fact, it even has dings in it already. I have used this, but I was very proud of the way that this turned out. And now one of my main focuses is actually working on pen turning. This has become just a great thing. You never know what you're going to get. The possibilities are endless. Especially with these type of blanks you see on these two pens here. These are a combination of wood and resin. You get the block that looks kind of blah, and then you turn it, and it's just amazing what comes out of there. So I hope you like my channel, hope you follow along, hit the bell icon to get some notifications when I post new videos. I'm not going to sit here and say that I'm going to post a new video every week or anything like that. This is a side hobby for me, but it is something I really do like to do. Also, be sure to visit my website and check out my Etsy store to see items that I have for sale. Thank you for watching.